It's Chippy here, CBIT 2014. We're taking a look at the Tarox Craftab here, 80.3 inch Full HD ruggedized tablet right now. So here it is, it's an 8.3 inch Full HD screen ruggedized tablet. So I guess it's pretty important just to highlight that immediately. Now, 8.3 inch and docking station, you've never seen that before, right? So this is quite a unique device, and actually in terms of semi-rugged devices, this is actually looking pretty good, and it's pretty lightweight as well. Let me just quickly take you around the device so we can have a look at the ports and the features. So we've got docking lugs here, we've got some speaker ports, and there is the docking port there that goes onto the very nice docking station. I'll talk about that a little bit more in a minute. On the side here, this is a near final prototype. The final prototype will have HDMI micro out here, but we've already got a USB and what is that? That's power, DC power, strange DC power connector, and then we've got micro SIM slot there as well. So there will be an HDMI out on there. You've also got a headset port here. Going over to the top, then we've got volume rocker and power. And then round on the other side there's nothing there. But flip it over to the back and you'll see we've got not only a camera and an LED light, and I like these feature studding as well, it looks pretty nice. But you will notice that there's a removable battery on there, so I'm just going to rip the case off on this. This is not final, the final will be slightly different to this. There is a 21 or 22 watt hour battery inside, so it's a fairly small battery, but for an 8-inch tablet it's up there with some of the it's actually slightly bigger than the other 8-inch tablets on the market. So 6 hours battery life, 5 hours battery life, depending on what you do really. I mean, this has got connected standby, so obviously it's gonna last all day if you're going to do 4 or 5 hours work on it without any problem. I'll leave that back off. On the device we've got, well obviously it's Windows 8.1 here, but I was looking at the, just get that away. Some software running here. I wanted to show you that it's got TPM 2.0 inside, it's got GNSS GPS inside, we've got a 3G module here, we've got standard sort of Wi-Fi module. There's going to be variations in CPU and storage available on this one, and this is using one of the new 64-bit capable Bay Trail T processors, which will allow you to run 64-bit Windows images on it. So let's just take a quick look at that docking station. It's a pretty simple process now. This docking station works for the 8.3 inch version and a 10-inch version, which is coming as well. The 10-inch version will be a very similar design, very similar ports, but obviously larger screen and a 750 grams weight instead of the 550 grams weight that we've got here. But let's just talk about this really nice docking station. It's meant to be used in sort of rough and tumble situations. We've got a button release here, but on the back I've got a little bit of security attached to this, but there's the back of the device. 3 USB 3s, full HDMI, and what I think is a USB based gigabit Ethernet port as well, Kensington lock, and the whole unit is really nice and solid there. So given that the Bay Trail T platform can run a desktop for many situations, this could be actually quite a nice portable desktop solution. There's the screen resolution. It's a 1920 by 1200, so that's a 16 by 9 ratio screen there. So it's the Aava Mobile Tarox Craftab here at CBIT 2014. This is going to be available in May. And as I said, a 10-inch version will be available too. Don't expect prices under $1,000 because this is a rugged, industry-focused device, but one of the actual nicest looking and lightest weight UMPCs we've seen for this market for many years. My name's Chippy at CBIT 2014. Thanks for watching.